Hello friends, in last video I explained the chapter physical and chemical changes. In this video I am with you with the exercise of this chapter physical and chemical changes. Let's start. Question number 1. Classify the changes involved in the following process as physical or chemical changes. The answers are written in book. So, photosynthesis is chemical change. Next, dissolving of sugar in water is physical change. Burning of coal is chemical change, because in burning of coal, after burning of coal, the new substance is formed. Melting of wax is physical change. Beating aluminium to make aluminium foil is a physical change. Digestion of food is a chemical change, because in digestion the food digests and new substances take place formed. Question number 2. State whether the following statements are true or false. In case a statement is false, write the correct statement in your notebook. First is cutting a log of wood into pieces is a chemical change. It's false. The correct answer is cutting a log of wood into pieces is a physical change. B. Formation of manure from leaves is a physical change. While this is false, while the correct answer is formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. C. Iron pipes coated with zinc do not get rusted easily. This is true. D. Iron and rust are the same substances. This is false. While the correct answer is iron and rust are the different substances. E. Condensation of steam is not a chemical change. This is true. Condensation is not a chemical change. This is a physical change. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks in the following statements. When carbon dioxide is passed through lime water, it turns milky due to the formation of calcium carbonate. The formula of calcium carbonate is CaO3. B part is the chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. C is two methods by which rusting of iron can be prevented are painting and galvanization. पेंटिंग के थ्रू भी हम रस्टिंग को रोक सकते हैं और गैल्वेनाइजेशन इज ऑल्सो अ सुटेबल मेथड टू प्रिवेंट rusting. D. Changes in which only physical properties of a substance change are called physical changes. E. Changes in which new substances are formed are called chemical changes. Now come to the next question. Question number 4. When baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, bubbles are formed with the evolution of a gas. What type of change is it? This is a chemical change, because when baking soda is mixed with lemon juice, the hydrogen gas formed and the other substance formed in the lemon juice. Question number 5. When a candle burns, both physical and chemical changes take place. Identify these changes. Give another example of a familiar process in which both the chemical and physical changes take place. When a candle burns, the wax is melt, this is a physical change. While the candle burns, this is a chemical change. The other example of same familiar process is burning of wood. Burning of wood is a chemical change. The familiar same process is eating of food is a example of both physical as well as chemical change, because in this process food breaks down into small pieces in the mouth. This is a physical change, while the digestion of food is a chemical change. Now come to the next question. Question number 6. How would you show that setting of curd is a chemical change? Setting of curd is a chemical change because curd is a new product which is having properties totally different from the milk, and curd cannot be changed into milk again. Question number 7. Explain why burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as two different types of changes. Burning of wood and cutting it into small pieces are considered as different type of changes, because by cutting of wood we get wood again, whereas burning of wood produce ash, which is new substance, and ash cannot be changed into wood. Now come to the next question. Question number 8. Describe how crystals of copper sulfate are prepared. Copper sulfate crystals are prepared by when dilute sulfuric acid mixed with water and heat it. We added copper sulfate powder into it with stirring continuously and add till no more powder can be dissolved, and put it for some time for cooling. After some time, crystals of copper sulfate are formed. Next question, question number 9. Explain how painting of an iron gate prevents it from rusting. The answer is rusting of an iron gate prevents it from rusting because painting prevents the iron objects from coming in contact with air and water. Next question, question number 10. Explain why rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than in desert. कोस्टल एरियाज और डेजर्ट में रस्टिंग फास्ट होती है. Why? Answer is rusting of iron objects is faster in coastal areas than in desert because there is more moisture in coastal areas than in desert. Question number 11. The gas we use in the kitchen is called liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. In the cylinder, it exists as a liquid. When it comes out from the cylinder, it becomes a gas. Change A. This is a physical change. We can change it into gas to liquid. Okay. So A is physical change. Then it burns. It This is chemical change because after burning new substances are formed. The following statements written of these changes, choose the correct one. A is physical change. So second option is correct. Process B is chemical change. Now question number 12. Android bacteria digest animal waste into and produce biogas. Chemical change. Okay. The biogas is then burned as fuel. This is also chemical change. Change B. The following statements pretend of these changes, choose the correct one. A is chemical change, B is chemical change. Third, both process A and B are chemical changes, so this is correct option. That's all for today. I will come with the explanation of next chapter, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to climate, in my next video. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe and comment.